Students, now we will start with chapter number 4, page number 35. Tick, tick, tick. Pankaj and Sanya were discussing whose home is farther from the school. See, in this chapter, we will learn about watching the time and learning how to see the time. So, let us open your assignment. Assignment page number 36. Question number 1. Three friends read time from a clock. Who is right? There are three friends, namely Chiku, Bittu and Pinky. Here time is given. Chiku reads that this time is 12:03. Bittu reads it is 12:15, while Pinky says this is 3. So correct answer is 3 o'clock. Pinky is correct. Next is Chiku, Bittu and Pinky. Chiku reads 7:25, Bittu reads 5:07 and Pinky reads 5:35. So again Pinky is correct. She says 5:35 and time drawn over here is 5:35. Next is Chiku, Bittu and Pinky. Chiku says this time is 3:35, Bittu says it is 7:03 and Pinky says it is 7:50. Again Pinky is right. She says this is 7:50. Now page number 37. Show the following times in the clock. See, this time is written. Let us see in textbook also for clear vision. This time is written over here. What you have to do is you have to draw hands of the clock. So this will be 3. Short hand will come at 3 and long hand will come at long hand will come at 2. So this will be 3:10. Next is 6:40. So short hand will come at 6 and big hand will come at 40. So this will be 6:40. Next is 4:45. Short hand will be at 4 and big hand will be at 9. This will be 4:45. Next is 2:20. Short hand is at 2 and big hand will be at 20. So this will be 2:20. Next is 3:15. Short hand will be at 3 and big hand will be at 3. So this will be 3:15. Next is 7:35. Short hand will be at 7 and big hand will also be at 7. So time will be 7:35. Now next is, do you like sky watching? If yes, then this should interest you. At what time does the sun rise at your place? You can write down over here any time, but the time given in your assignment is 5:30. So it is so you will have to write 5:30 a.m. At what time does the sun set? So answer will be 7:30. So over here you have to write 7:30. Does the sun rise and set at the same time every day? So answer will be no. The sun does not rise and set at the same time every day. Look at the newspaper and see the time of sunrise and sunset in different months. You can look at the newspaper and find out different times of sunset and sunrise. Now page number 38. Look at the photo and guess the time at this place. This photo was taken in Paris, France. In Paris, the sun set after 9 p.m. at night during summer. This photo was taken at 9, but in winter it becomes dark here by 4 p.m. in the evening. See, this is Eiffel Tower. You can see that and this photo was taken around 9 p.m. and the time was of summer. As the sun set sun sets during summer at 9 p.m. in Paris. But in winter the sun sets by 4 p.m. in the evening. Now next is find out how long will it take the minute hand to move from. See, you can see that 2 clocks are given over here. Minute hand means long hand. So you have to find out what will be the time taken by the minute hand from this clock to this clock. In first one it is at 7 and in second clock it is at 10. So from 7 to 10 this will be 7 to 8 5, 8 to 9 10, 9 to 10 15 and 15 9 to 10 is 15. The bigger hand, the minute hand is at 10 over here. So this will be 15 minutes. Now let us look at second one. From 8 to 9, 5, 9 to 10. 10, 10 to 11, 15, and 11 to 12 will be 20. So this will be 20 minutes. 20 minutes is taken by minute hand. Now next is third one. Over here minute hand is at 1 and over here minute hand is at 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 this will be 10 minutes. So answer over here will be 10 minutes. Next is minute hand is at 3. Minute hand is at 7 and it has moved to the minute hand is at 2 and it has moved to 9. So the time will be 35 minutes. Now page number 39. Draw where the minutes where the hands will be. 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. See, big hand matlab minute hand will be at 4 and small hand will be at 6. Next is 10 minutes after 7 o'clock. R and it means small hand will be at 7 and big hand minute hand will be at 2. Next is 30 minutes after 8 o'clock. So small hand will be at 8 and big hand will be at 6. Next is 15 minutes after 5 o'clock. Small hand will be at 5 and big hand will be at 3. Next is how long does your school assembly take? What is the period of our school assembly? So it might be around 20 minutes. So over here you have to write 20 minutes. How long is your lunch break? We have a lunch break of 30 minutes. So over here we will write 30 minutes. How long is your games period? In our school all the lectures are of same duration. So game period is of 35 minutes. Over here you have to write 35 minutes. Is it same as all other periods? So answer will be yes. It is same. Page number 40. How many minutes can this activities take? Make a guess and then check at home. There are certain activities. First one is boiling 1 liter milk. How long it will take? So it will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So over here you have to write 4 to 5 minutes. Next is filling a bucket. It takes around 3 to 4 minutes. Over here you have to write 3 to 4 minutes. And last one is sweeping your room. It takes around 7 to 8 minutes. So over here you have to write 7 to 8 minutes. Now there is activity time. You can do this by your own self. In 1 minute how many times can you snap your finger, skip a rope, jump up and down? You can try by yourself at home and write the time for this given activities. Here is another challenge for you. How long can you speak non-stop, stand on one leg, sing? How long do you take to run a 50-meter race, collect 50 pebbles from the ground, count 1 to 100? You have to do these activities by your own self. Now moving to page number 41. Page number 41. Let's look at a clock again. Solve this one. The minute hand started from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? A minute hand has started from 2 and it will come back to 2. How long will it take? So answer will be how many minutes will it take? So answer will be 60 minutes. Minute hand will take 60 minutes to move from 2 to 2. Next is what happens to the hour hand? Does it also move? How long will it take to move from one number to the next? The hour hand also moves. It takes 60 minutes, that is 1 hour to move. Now next is look around and list the activities that take about 1 hour to complete. So such activities which take 1 hour to complete are cooking food. Over here you have to write cooking food. Next is watching a cartoon episode. Next is getting ready for a school. Next is playing with friends. And last one is doing homework. You can write all these activities and these activities are given in your assignment. How long does it take to cook a dinner at home? More than an hour or less than an hour? So answer will be more than an hour. It takes more than an hour to make dinner at home. Next is ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother does. So answer will be no. Father cannot cook as fast as our mother does. Which game takes less than an hour to finish? There are certain games which take less than an hour to finish. Such games are snake and ladders, playing cards, tambula, etc. These are the games which take less than 1 hour to finish. How long does a football match take? The duration of football match is 90 minutes. So you over here you have to write 90 minutes. Page number 42. Rani's diary. There is a girl named Rani and she writes everything in her diary with date and time. So on page number 43, you can see that everything is written over here with date and the activity. 5th March 2005, Muni was born. 15 September, Muni got her first tooth, and so on. All the activities are written with date and time. Mark this in correct order on Muni's timeline. What you have to do is, you have to mark this on Muni's timeline. So now we are going to write activities. I am writing in this book. You have to fill it up in textbook only. See, on 5/3/2005, Muni was born. So over here you have to write was born. Then the next activity is on 15th September 2005. This is 15th September 05. Got her first tooth. Next is 10th November 2005. She set up. So 10/11/05 set up. Then next is 20/11/2005 started crawling. Then next is 5th January 2006 stood up. Then next is 2nd February 2006 started walking. And last one is 5/9/06 ate a banana. So this will be Muni's timeline. You have to draw this over here. Muni got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months has passed from March to September? It means we have to find out how many months have passed from March to September. And also we have to write how many months Muni was old when she got her first tooth. So she was 6 months old when she got her first tooth, and the time duration from March to September is 6 months. So answer will be 6 months. You have to write over here. How old was Muni when she first set up? How old was she when she first set up? So answer will be 8 months old. Over here you have to write 8 months. Next is she got her first tooth. When did she got her first tooth? She got her first tooth when she was about 6 months old. So answer will be 6 months old. What did she do first? Walking or eating a banana, or walking or eating a banana? So she started walking first. So you have to do a mark over here. She started walking. Crawling or standing? She started crawling first. So you have to mark over here. Now page number 44. The same thing as we have done with Muni, same dates are written for the puppy. Over here you can see all the details written about puppy and with the time. Now make a timeline of this dog's life in your notebook. Now we have to make the timeline of this dog like the same we have done for Muni. Now the first thing happened over here was 2 weeks, 3 weeks and 4 weeks. Over here I am writing 2, 3, 4 weeks, 2, 3 and 4. Got first teeth and started eating. Now in the 4th week, I am writing over here, started walking. Then after 7 months, it means over here 7 months, had a full set of teeth. And last one is over here 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 months. It means 1 year, grown up dog and get its own puppies. Timeline of dog and Muni are different. You can see from this number line. Now position, started walking, ate first food for the first time and got the first tooth. Muni started walking after 11 months of her birth. So over here you have to write after 11 months. And puppy after 1 month of its birth started walking. Next is ate food for the first time. After 6 months of her birth. After 6 months of her birth, Muni ate and puppy ate after 3 weeks of its birth. Next is got the first tooth. Muni got first tooth after 6 months. So over here you have to write 6 months. And puppy got its first tooth after 3 weeks. So over here you have to write after 3 weeks. Next is, do all animals grow at the same speed? So answer will be no. Over here you have to write no. Discuss about the growth of hen, cow and bird. The bird grows fastest, then after a hen and then after a cow. So over here you have to write 1, over here 2 and over here 3. Draw the pictures of baby animal and big animal. So we are not doing this. Here are the picture of grandfathers posing for a photograph. Who looks the oldest to you? Elephant, Appu's grandfather is 95 years old. Choo-choo's rat grandfather is 2 years old and Rani's grandfather is 70 years old. How much older is Appu's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? So we have to do subtraction. 95 minus 70, which will be 20 years. This which will be 25 years. This thing is given in your assignment, so you have to copy it from there. Will Choo-choo's grandfather ever grow as old as Appu's grandfather? So answer will be no. How much younger is Choo-choo's grandfather than Rani's grandfather? So this will be 70 minus 2, which will be 68 years. Page number 46. Holidays are fun. After Atif's holidays had begun, he was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Shabana. So he wrote a letter. Atif wrote a letter to his cousin Shabana. Shabana, who stays in Nagpur, got this letter on 13/5/2018. She wrote back to Atif. Shabana lives in Nagpur, got this letter on 13/5 and she wrote back to Atif. Ali wrote his letter on 7/5/2018. You remember how he write date in numbers? 7/5/18. So this will be, first one will be date, second one will be month and third one will be year. So the date will be 7 May 2018. Likewise, we have to solve the dates given on page number 47. 10/5/18. So this will be 10 May 2018. Next is 25/2018. Fifth month is May. So this will be 20 May 2018. Next is 7/6/18. So this will be 7th June 2018. Next is 1/6/18. So this will be 1 June 2018. You have to write this in your CW. It is given in the assignment. Write these dates in numbers. You have to write these dates in numbers. So this will be 1606, like this. You have to write 1, then 6 and then 06. This is given in your assignment. Next is 30 May 2006. So this will be 3506. Next is 10th August 2007. So this will be 10807. All these things are given in assignment, so I am not writing over here. How long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? Over here on this page 2 letters are given. From that we have to find out how long did it take. The letter was written on 1st May and Shabana received it on 6th May. So it takes 5 days to reach the letter. So over here you will have to write 5 days. How many days will Ali spend at his Nani's place? Ali will reach at his Nani's place on 5th May and will be back on 20th May. So this will be 20 minus 5, which will be 15. So over here you have to write 15. Now you have to write Shabana's holidays. We are not going to do this. This is cancel. This is also cancel. Page number 48. On 15 May 2017, Chandran went to a shop to buy butter. He checked the packet to see if the butter was safe to it. It was written on the packet best before 180 days from the date of packing. Then he checked the date of packing. It was 15/1/2017. Help him find out if he should buy this butter or not. In which month was the butter packed? Which month will it be? 180 days after 15/1/17. Can Chandran eat it on 15 May 2017? Do you ever check the date of packing of things you buy? Have you seen medicines which have expiry date written on them? It tells you after which date it is unsafe to take the medicine. Now let us find out. Butter was packed on 15/1. So month of packing is January. It was best before 180 days. So let us calculate 17 days in January, 28 days in February, 31 days in March and 30 days in April, 31 days in June and 31 days in May and 30 days in June. So total of all this will be 167. Remaining days will be 180 minus 167. So this will be 13. There will be 13 days in July. So the date is 13 July 2006. It means we can eat this till 13 July 2006 as it is safe to use butter till 13 July 2006. When did Chandran eat? He ate it on 15 May 2006. So it is safe. Next is, which are the other things that come with expiry date? Everything comes with expiry date. Things such as cold drinks, medicines, chips, chocolates, biscuits and sweet have an expiry date. Now question number 3. What a month and a year is written as 7/5? 7. Which month will be 7? So this will be July and 05. It means 2005. July 2005. Would it be safe to take the cough syrup in September 2006? Answer will be no. It is not safe to take the cough syrup in September 2005. Now we need to find out 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. See, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So in 24-hour clock that will be 13 hours. 2 o'clock 14, 3 o'clock 15, 3:30 in the afternoon, this will be 15:30, 6 o'clock in the evening 18, 9 o'clock in the evening 21 and 12 o'clock at the midnight, this will be 0 hours. Now page number 51. Suppose a train leaves at 8:30 at night. The time written on railway track would be, on railway track time written is in 24-hour clock. So this will be 12 plus 8:30, which will be 20:30. 2030 will be written on the railway track. You must have noted the time of sunrise and sunset right here using AM and PM. We have to write the time of sunrise and sunset, but in AM and PM. Time of sunrise will be 5:30 am and time of sunset will be 7:30 pm. Now question number 3. Where have you seen a 24-hour clock being used? Airport, railway station, military. These are the 3 places where we can see 24-hour clock being used. So this is chapter number 4.